Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a quick look at the markets for today, Tuesday, April 22nd. We'll start with a look at the economic calendar, and coming up today at 1 o'clock GMT, we have housing price index from the United States. Then at 2 o'clock, we have existing home sales, and then at the same time, we have Eurozone consumer confidence, which could generate some volatility in the euro. So as you can see, these are pretty much relaxed day coming up. Moving over to the markets, the S&P 500 continued higher yesterday. This was during muted trading. It was up by 0.4%, sorry, with better than expected earnings reports yesterday. This optimism continued during the Asian session, with Asian stocks marginally higher. But going into the session today, S&P 500 futures are trading pretty much neutral, unchanged, which points to a somewhat neutral outlook for investors, which is to be expected, given the holiday and the increasing tensions in the Ukraine. So investors are probably looking for some news at the beginning of the session. Reporting today, we have several consumer companies. They'll be reporting first quarter earnings today, including McDonald's, Yum Brands, which supervises Taco Bell, KFC, and Pizza Hut, Comcast, and AT&T, which investors might be focusing on to see how consumer trends are functioning in the United States. Moving over to the euro is pretty much unchanged over the weekend. It's still trading between a range of 137.40 to 138.40 without any major news that might have a significant impact to push the euro beyond those ranges expected today. The similar situation with the pound, which has also been trading virtually unchanged for the last couple of days, keeping within a range of support at 167.50 and then resistance at 168.40. The yen over the last couple days lost some strength versus the dollar, which pushed the dollar yen pair higher. It came up to resistance here at 102.75 and then has since retreated. It's going towards a very mild support, which we have at 102.25 at the moment, and then below that we have a stronger support at 101.50. And then finally we have gold, which continued to move on the downside with the loss of interest in safe haven assets. It's still above support at 1,285, just 5 points above it. Above that we have resistance at 1,310. But a quick look at the RSI here shows that gold is far from being oversold, so we could be looking at gold continuing on the downside for quite some time, possibly targeting 1,260 in the near term. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.